Thank you, everybody. I'll be pretty short. First of all, this is my first time managing the technical room, so I'm still, I would say, getting my sea legs in the last couple months. So I certainly appreciate all the work everybody's done before in certainly life. So just get into things here. So one of the things we're sort of redoing in the technical room is repurposing or sort of redefining the scope and really trying to make it more applicable to our current needs, I think, is the way to think about it. Really focusing on integration across rooms, the need to sort of bring in advanced users to make the bridge between highly technical things. We saw that some of the linked data discussions and applicable use cases, and make sure we can spell those out and help people understand the value statement to each one of those things. The larger discussion you saw in a lot of the presentations about linked data is how we communicate both internally but into the larger group of the network, if you will, of our industry, and again, helping the different rooms navigate the different technologies. So it's interesting, you saw variations of this theme in a lot of the slides. I think it's the sort of remit of the technical room to help sort of navigate between, like I said, purely technical standards and sort of actual use cases that help people advance the technologies. But clearly it's not just a building and a file, it's a whole bunch of connected information that we have to bring together. We had several sessions that really the point was to introduce this new direction and new thinking, and so this was just the output of one of them, talking about something as simple as different types of places to put data, and helping people start to discussion about, well, what would we expect those places, a CDE, a container, or a model server or something like that, to act within our standards and all the things we're talking about. So linked data, we certainly understand we have some work there to do in some areas to prove out these use cases. I think it's abundantly clear it's necessary for us to move in this direction. It's just how we get there is the most meaningful part of the discussion. And then the guidance of sort of understanding the broader concept. Anybody that knows me is, and when I do individual presentations, I always like to include cats. So this is a triple to make the connection to our linked data. So it's 3 cats linked together. It's a very nice little story. It's a very nerdy joke, but it has a cat, so it's getting close to the end of the day. BCF. So we had a conversation within the building room. I'm moving out of participating more in the building room, so you saw my name in a lot of the building room sessions. We had a very good discussion in the context of requirements around BCF, being able to provide some guidance for the development that has not really been focused from the user side of things yet. Think about advancing it forward. And then we really just have next steps. Begin to document these connections between the sort of diverse industry we have is an important part of it. Move product in IFC forward, as in product descriptions within IFC. It's definitely something that we need. Moving adjacent discussion forward. Starting work on containers, starting to map out how they're actually going to be useful with us in alignment with ISO. Move IFC OWL before London to the Standards Committee meeting, and a lot more. So thank you, Barcelona, for being such a great host. That's it for me. Thank you.